so that we can do the
So this was where one of the famous Ashanti king called Nana Apesi Aduman Prempeh the first was in prison. And Prempeh became king in 1888 at the age of 16 years, 16. And he made a treaty signed by his predecessors to pay 50,000 ounces of gold to the British as war indemnity fund. He paid half and paid the rest in installment. The British saw it as a breach of contract, so they told Prempeh to organize a deadline in Kumasi so that they could go there and settle their differences peacefully. But unknown to Prempeh, when the British were leaving this castle, they went to their soldiers, captured Prempeh, the wife, the mother, and some of the royal family members. Prempeh was in prison here for 4 years, sent to Freetown, Sierra Leone for 1 year, and finally exiled to Seychelles Island for 23 more years. He came back in 1924, died 1931 at the age of 59. And also in 1900, there was this British governor called Sir Frederick Hudson. He wanted nothing but the golden stool of the Ashantis. The golden stool is said to be conjured from the skies. One of the local priests called Okobonoche. The golden stool is said to bring the Ashantis together. When the governor was pressing for the release of the original golden stool, the Ashantis prepared 5th golden stool, gave it to the governor. The governor took it to Britain thinking it was the original. When he was in Britain, he saw that wasn't the original. So he came back for the original golden stool, and that brought up a queen mother called Yasantua Sendo. She fought with the British, but unfortunately for her, she was also captured. She was in prison here for a while, and finally exiled to Seychelles Island. She died there. Her remains were brought back to Ghana in the year 2000, and a big funeral was held for her. And one thing remarkable is that the woman started the war at the age of 60 years, 60, and the purpose for the war was achieved because the British couldn't take away the original golden stool from us. And just this morning, I was being told that African women are as strong as the Queen Mother Yasantua. Is that true?
I think that's true.